Yeah, I'm not speaking for myself. But anyway, well, kung yung companionship yung pag-uusapan namin, I mean, walang problema doon dahil hindi na namin pinag-uusapan yun. It's a mutual understanding for two people who have high respect for each other. Kami yung dalawang tao na siguro bago pa kami nagsimula mag-teleserye together, marami na kaming pinagdaanan. So I guess it's like what she mentioned earlier, it's a very good foundation that, you know, that friendship have lasted for so many years, and kahit ano pang pinagdaan namin pareho on our personal lives, hindi yun nakaka-apekto sa trabaho namin pareho. Yep. Well, yung companionship ba, may contract yun? Wala?
Walang sex.
No. Like, kami, I don't know, like, earlier, she said, ano kami, parang soulmate. Yung tingnan mo ano, may...
Love story natin.
So, sabi niya soulmate kami. I do believe na may mga
Cebu
ganun.
tayo sa tops.
May mga ganung, ano, tao na pinagtatagpo. I mean, hindi nga kami nag-uusap niyan for years eh. But pag magkita kami, parang, like, parang matagal kami magkasama. So, wala. There's really nothing na, makakahadlang dun. And I guess we're blessed, to be working alongside the great actors, of course, in this whole production. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.